So another repetitive random video. Very repetitive. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another little tiny purse video with you guys because I just really love this purse and I want to show it off and I want to show what I currently have inside of it, which is actually, like, if you look inside, this is a pretty big bag. You want to see that? Let's just get into it. Yeah, I think my era right now of, I just lost the name of what they're called. Pregnancy brain, yay. What are they called? Fanny packs, pouches. I don't even remember what they're called at the top of my head. Like, literally, this is what has been happening to me, so don't mind me. I think my era of that is over for right now. Belt bags, there we go, we got it. If you guys haven't seen my what I got for Christmas video, I did get this little Juicy bag for Christmas and I absolutely love her. She's been my love and so easy for me to take everywhere and to put in my work bag and take with me to work. I have my lip right now that I'm wearing, which is a Kylie lip liner in Candy K and her lip oil in watermelon, which I absolutely love right now. And as I mentioned in my previous video with the same outfit, I think her lip liners are one of the only ones that actually stay on my lips and don't move and don't go anywhere. I appreciate so much because the rest of my lip liners bleed. They make me look like I don't even want to talk about it. Face mask that I've probably worn way too many times, but that's okay. I have to wear a face mask when I go to my mom's because I'm currently not taking my allergy meds since I'm pregnant. I just didn't want to take it, so I wear a mask to prevent that and to prevent sneezing. Tiny little Hello Kitty creme shop little mirror that has little blotting sheets in there. Very cute. Gooby is in a bag, if you can hear that. She's just in a bag. And it comes with cute little Hello Kitty shaped like blotting sheets, which is absolutely adorable. We have a pack of tissues because I'm a mess. I cry, I sneeze, I've been doing a lot of crying. So speaking of used tissue, wrapper to gum. I've been chewing gum a lot too, which I probably shouldn't be while pregnant because that creates gas in your stomach, somebody said. I could be wrong. We have my little Touchland hand sanitizer, aloe as usual. Trying to use her up. We have a wrapper to a mint. We also have my wallet in here. All of my usual things. Have another face mask. Wow, I didn't even think I had that in there. Then I have this pink buttercream lip oil from obviously Pink. It's just always in there in case I need something for my lips and I don't have anything, so she stays. And I recently threw this in here. I don't know if it's gonna stay though. This is the Creme Shop Hello Kitty Marshmallow Fluff Lip Balm. I got this in the little advent calendar thing my mom got me for Christmas. I have had a couple of these before and used them a few times. They're not terrible, but they're not the best. It's just mostly for this like cute little aesthetic. A Laneige Peppermint Lip Balm. Needless to say, my lips sometimes do get chapped, so I do have this in there. Gift cards that I tried to use. Apparently can't be used anywhere. I've tried so far, so here's to hoping that I can use them at some point because I'm going to lose my mind if I can't. NYX Brow Glue. Random, even though I do use my, it's not bed head. I always want to call it bed head. The Got To Be not brow gel. The Got To Be gel on my brows. I just still have this in there for emergencies as well, just in case, you never know. Perfume, this is Lake and Sky 1111. It smells pretty nice. It's like a nice little perfume in case I need something. My battery pack from Velvet Caviar. This is the Opal, I'm gonna say scent, Opal edition, whatever. It's very, very pretty. That's as far as it goes. It does work very well, but you do have to charge it. That's just the only thing that sucks about it. A lot of gum. I have the Orbit Sweet Mint, and then I have two Trident cinnamon gums. I've been into cinnamon gum again. Don't ask. That's just me. I have a bunch of cash, which is rare for me because I usually don't carry cash like this at all. I don't know what is going on with me, so I need to go through it and maybe put some away. Then I have all these little, what do I want to call it? These little like moist towelettes from a waitress at Chili's that just like gave them to us, so I just threw them in my purse. You never know, so those are in there. I have that birdie thing that I got for Christmas. I have not used, have not put on my keys, but it's in there. It's in there. Okay, what else do we got? We have another used tissue. That is lovely. We have, oh, this is a hair tie from one of my students because she likes to take her hair out all the time, so we're constantly putting it up, and this was just in my purse, so we'll give that back to her. I have a gum wrapper. I have a lot of these mints. Sometimes I don't want to say get nauseous, but I do get like feel weird like indigestion or something, or maybe it's heartburn. I have no idea. So I still do have these in my purse just in case. You never know. Oh, I have a piece of gum. I don't know what kind it is, but I have a piece of gum. Last but not least, I do have a piece of gum wrapped in a gum wrapper that I didn't want anymore. Slot in here, I just have a e.l.f. lip oil. Okay, I didn't know I had this in there. Cool. This one's in the shade Pink Quartz. It looks very similar to the Kylie one, actually. Very similar. eye drops. I always need eye drops, especially when I get allergies, as you guys already know. Fun fact, they don't even make this kind anymore. This is the Clear Eyes Maximum Itchy Eye Relief. And it's expired, but we're not going to tell anybody that because I'm sure it's fine because they still work for me. Sometimes my eyes just get irritated and I need to put some drops in, so I have that. And then I just have some change. But yeah, that's everything that was in my bag. I just kept the mints in there, but this was a pretty big bag. Like, I'm thoroughly impressed. So if you can still find this little bag set anywhere, probably maybe Poshmark, eBay, whatever, highly recommend. It's very comfortable to use, to like swing around, and especially if you pack it, you could really like defend yourself with it. I was gonna say something else, but let me just take a moment. Let me take a moment. That is everything that's in my tiny little bag. I don't know when I'm gonna be going back to a regular bag. I still love regular purses, but right now we're in our tiny bag era, so we'll see how long that lasts, especially after my son comes. I have a feeling I'm gonna be in an even tinier bag era, but who knows. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tiny video, just something random. I don't know. I just wanted to do that. And I wanted to clean my bag. So why not just share it with you guys anyways? I've never done this before and I'm doing my best and I feel really weird, but it's fine. Any pregnancy advice to like for mental health, please help in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Pregnancy is not easy. Maybe it is for some women, but for others it's definitely not. And I just want to commend all the mothers out there that have had children and have been through pregnancy maybe multiple times and don't feel worn down and actually enjoy it and feel like rejuvenated or whatever the it is, because so far I just feel poop and I'm trying to not feel that way anymore. So I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notification when I post a new video. That ending is not going to change even when I have a child, so get over it. And I'll see you in my next video, whatever that is, whenever it is, because we are just living. I love you guys.